And these are pretty much all you need for tools for that EGR clean out. 10 to 10, some brushes, rags, oil, cleaner, 3-in-1 oil, ratchet, extended 10, and your 5/16 for the battery. So that's a little bit of gook there. Let's see what we're kind of up against. Alright, we're about halfway there here. A little bit of gunk off of it, out of it. Better. Oh yeah, a little rust in this holes here. Give them a little gun oil, and then because I got to clean these holes out yet, I'm going to go ahead and thread that right back in there. There he goes. This one same way. Just a little bit of oil, clean the rust out of there, and then to keep the gook from going in there as I'm scraping along on that stuff. I forgot to get the after shot, but get the idea out of here. Bit of a show here. It's my grease. Oh. No, nothing. Oh. I'm gonna give her some more when we get on the road.